All right, I am going to show you how to order custom stuff from Vistaprint really fast. So right now I'm on the Vistaprint website and I go to the search bar and our topic was custom post-its. So I'm just going to go post it. See what it comes up with. Oh look, custom post-it notes. Boop. Now, over here, I can select size here. 3x3 is, I think, your default, but I've got all these other ones. The basic size, 3 times 3 and 3.5 times 2 is, I think, $5.99 for a single set of 50. So I'm just going to do the default one. And here's how you do easy custom. Browse designs. And here you can go to the topics if you want, or just scroll down and find one you like. So I'm just going to choose this one just because. And then here it tells you if you want to change the size, if it costs more or less. Some of these, like if you went from 3x3 to 4x6, it's going to cost you $4 more. So that's okay. That's my design. I'm going to edit my design. So I click edit my design and it gets me to this page. And if you've never signed in, it may give you some pop-ups of helpful hints. But right now I see over here is full name. And here is the text where I can edit it. So here's my name, blah, 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 blah. And if I want, I can move it around wherever I want. Doesn't matter. Just leave it down at the bottom there. Now I can add new text field and it gives me another text box, and so here I can say like 1, 2, 3, and I can go back and edit even in that text box. I can actually highlight just one word and go and make it bold and change its size if I want to. So that's fine. You can see over here that only the 3 has changed size. Now I can also make these bulleted lists or numbered lists. So let's see what that one does. And then here I can stretch the box with those little toggles if I have a lot of text to write. I can also change the font. So I'm in that box is highlighted. I go over here to the font and choose which one I want. A nice handwriting one is this caveat. I don't know, I like it. It looks like regular handwriting. So anyway, you can change those. Don't be too fancy. Don't be too crazy. Don't make any of these fonts super duper small. I mean, the most I would go is maybe 13 or 14. You can align it. So if this one, let's say this thing, I want to have it over on the left, I go to the text align and change it to the left. Let's put it back in the center. So let's say this is my design. You can add as many fields as you want. If you want to add graphics, you can. This happens to be plants, so let's do plant. And it comes up with, here's some clip art. Let's choose a plant. It puts it on there. I can drag it around where I want it. Whatever I want to do. So I'm done choosing my stuff. And I'm going to click next up in the top right. And then it says double check everything here, like is your spelling good? Is your text legible? If I went outside of the margin box, it would have told me on the previous screen, keep it in the what it calls the safe zone. Does everything look accurate? Is anything blurry? You can go back and edit it here. Once you have it exactly the way you want it, you click on the box that says I have reviewed and approved my design. Don't do that unless you're absolutely certain. Click continue. And it does its little thing. And it wants you to order more stuff with your design on it, but I'm going to just click continue because that's all I want. And then it wants to sell me other stuff. I'm just going to say continue to the cart. And at this point, right now, one set of 50 post-its, 50 individual notes is $5.99. But if I change the quantity to something like 5, it goes down to $3 and something cents, like 10 cents each or something like that. So it's cheaper in the long run if you order more of that. You can go and create another and put that in your cart as well, like continue shopping. And you can either go back to the Vistaprint logo up here and get back to the starting point, or however you feel like you need to do it. I can check out as a guest, or if I want to sign in and check out, I can click here. I can, if I already have an account, have signed in already. If you have an account, it will save your designs to your account, and if you want to order more of that exact item, it'll allow you to do that. So it's up to you, but generally it's pretty cinchy, and I hope that is helpful to you.